All right, so we had quite a bit of steel come in last week. We've lined it all up over here, and then there's a few pieces over there. And we're starting to get them processed. There's, I think, 12 rolls of steel that came in. And these here are going to be used for the, these are the center tubes and the outriggers, or the outer spars. So these are very big diameter. They're 1.6 meters in diameter. And then these are 1.05, I believe, meters in diameter. And these are used for the outriggers. So you see this blue tape? We put this on because we have done a treatment on the edges here. They came just with a flat edge, which is how steel is normally made. You basically just, you would have a big straight cut. We want to have a 45-degree angle because this angle is really important for where they get blended, welded together. You need to have that angle because you have to fill this with welding material. So these all have to be cut on angles. Next time we have some steel made for us, we're going to make sure that all the edges are pre-done because that will save us some time. It took about a day per person to make each tube. So we had one guy just grinding the edge of this, and both sides took one day. So that's really slow. So we have to find a way to speed things up. We're always trying to find a way to speed things up, but with production is going to be a little bit faster. Research and development always takes a long time, so always takes longer than we want it to be. We want things to move really fast, but we have to go with figuring things out first, and there's a lot to figure out because no one's ever done this before, so we are figuring it out as we go, but it's going well.